All right, guys, so we have a little song to help us remember all of the helping verbs that we're learning. And it's sung to the tune of the Army March. So it's like na 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 na. That's the tune that we're gonna sing it to. So it goes like this. Be is am are was were been have has had do does did can could would should may must might will shall being. Okay, so that's our helping verb song, and if you practice it just one line at a time, you're able to memorize it faster. So let's sing it one more time. I'm going to sing it a little bit faster. Be is am are was were been have has had do does did can could would should may must might will shall being. All right, I hope you're practicing that for this week, and it'll help you remember your helping verbs. Thanks for watching.